How to convert your Rotiform wheels to floating center caps. Firstly, remove the center cap. Then remove the emblem to be separated. A heat gun might be required. Time to build. One alignment tool and one of my floating kits. You will need to use some sandpaper to remove some of the rough edges. As simple as putting the kit in the tool, then pressing the cap on top. Out she comes, all done. Time to put back. This kit works for all 70mm Rotiform center locks. Now doesn't that look fancy? If you wish to buy a set, send me a DM on here or Instagram.